And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff. And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff.
Hey gang, Poppy here. This is an unboxing video. Not to be confused with boxing. Okay. The first is from SDA Manufacturing LLC, my laser center edge finder. That's who makes and sells them, resells them. The battery capsule in mine wouldn't come out. It would not come out. It just would not come out. I had to destroy it to get it out. This is the replacement. There'll be at least one vid on my fitting this and where it goes so that they live together harmoniously. Okay, now next from Sherline. Oh, you knew something from Sherline would have to arrive this month, didn't you? Okay. There we go. Riser block number 1. Riser block number 2. These are your standard. Oh, you're kidding me. Okay, I'll play that game. Slash. Hey, here we go. Okay, there's the piece of paper. And there is one Sherline headstock riser block assembly with pin and key. That's a nice box. Well, let's see if the old lady wants one for 2. Well, I'll keep one of them. Ooh, this one they taped the key in place. I mean, that's a little bit superfluous. You know, redundant and all that. The Sherline keys actually fit quite nicely. Yeah. Okay, now, why 2 Sherline riser block assemblies? I have the Sherline horizontal milling conversion. It's the big aluminum plate with some bolts and some pieces of angle metal for permanent fencing to hold your things in place. Anyway, I've got one of these like this, but it's got 2 1/4-20s through it. It's going on the horizontal mill conversion, right where they want you to bolt down. And on the other side of the XY base, The other one will be the other way. So the spindle is shooting down the length of my mill table, effectively giving me a horizontal barring mill, in effect. For small parts, I'm not going to worry about no support. Anyway, that's coming up. So, I wasted 5 minutes of your time already. Shameless of me. Okay. I ordered those 2 items Monday. This is Thursday. The same day I ordered from McMaster Car. Other than there's a different flavor of Allen screw, and the piece of aluminum was 1.5 by 1.5 instead of 1.5 by 1. It was rinse and repeat. The nice young man at McMaster Car said it'll be there tomorrow. He was right. No drama with McMaster Car. I've never heard them say out of stock. Ever. So take that for what it's worth. They're not giving me no money. They're not giving me stuff. I want them to love me. I'll admit that. I want McMaster Car to love me silly. But what can I say? Wishing and hoping, alright? Good night from California. Stay safe, wear a mask, get vaccinated. Keep strangers away from you. Start wearing gloves. It's a dirty world. There's all kinds of pathogens out there. Not just COVID. There's bacteriums and stuff that comes out of people, and you want to make believe it's a burrito that you stepped on in the in the BART car. Yeah. Start wearing gloves. Good night from California.